Perched high above Turkey Creek, it was fitting that I was awoken by a turkey grazing a few yards from my tent. I quietly opened up my tent, and I even got a clip of the guy. I thought it was a fortuitous omen, as I was actually headed to a spring turkey hunt in Texas in a few days. Now, anytime you wake up after a nighttime insert, you've always got to stop and savor how beautiful your surroundings are when the sun comes up. My map work from the previous day led me to this spot in order to take a topographical mountain ridge run on an old pack trail from my location at Peak 9308, past Fly's Peak, Booger Spring, Cima Creek, past several saddles, and leading to Chiricahua Peak. It was a great run that offered sweeping views from the corner of the state, an unexpected treat. When I reached the summit, I thought that it'd be nice to get a little more elevated. Enjoy the view. I then set back out to retrace the old pack trail back to 9308 and make my ultimate descent. If you notice on my GPS mapping here, I actually overshot the exit for 9308 on the return leg, cutting towards the Bootlegger saddle. Now, going with the proven method of investigating interesting spots on maps, I discovered William S. Garza's book on the Chiricahua Mountains, noting that this exact spot, near 9308, was a notorious loot cache and smuggling area for bandits and bootleggers, all the way up through the 20s, reminding us that this Wild West wasn't actually so long ago. With Arizona imposing a prohibition on alcohol in 1915, these very trails I'd been on were used to smuggle in illegal sauce from Rodeo, New Mexico, down to San Simon, which, in some small manner of coincidence, was the exact route I'd be taking myself. Now, one thing is certain, the illuminated views descending midday were incredible. Now, you'll notice remnants of what I believe to be the 2011 Horseshoe 2 fire. Beginning near Portal, the fire burned 223,000 acres. But, as always, life has continued to find a way. In the wake of the fire, Northern Arizona University and the Southwest Fire Science Consortium continue to monitor the recovery, and they've even unearthed previously undiscovered archaeological sites. Of note, the pine near my campsite, Turkey Creek, is being replaced with oak and chaparral, which is suspected to be due to a winter drought that followed the blaze. I always wanted to know what paradise looked like. Fortunately for me, today was the day I'd get to find out. And just as you'd imagine paradise to be, I crossed a babbling creek and I was greeted by the wildlife. And just like that, I was gone, careful to not spend too much time in paradise. On my way out, I was ushered across another crossing by a cow, on my way to San Simone. Looking over the ridgeline and seeing the backside of the Dos Cabezas and the range I'd just explored, I decided to stop and reflect on the closing chapter in the Chiricahua Mountains, a truly special place. This will be my last day in Arizona, and the next video will be my last video from Arizona. I look forward to sharing it with you, and I hope you're enjoying these as always. I do greatly appreciate those likes and subscribes. Thanks, y'all.